Hi guys! So nandito nga pala tayo sa Prime Physiotherapy Clinic located at 20th Ave, Corner P, Tuason. Landmark niya is Daily Supermarket. It's my second session here and you know what guys, first session pa lang ramdam mo na agad yung effectiveness ng ginawa sa yung procedure. This is only for 1,500 per session and if you have additional part, 400 pesos lang ang i-add mo. Sobrang sulit guys, diba? And now look at the place. It's so cozy, sobrang relaxing and comfortable. Malamig din yung aircon nila. And very accommodating nung staff. Ang inabail ko nga pala guys is 7,000 pesos. That's for 6 session na. Actually guys, if you want to go here, just message their FB account first. Medyo madaming client ang pumupunta rito everyday. So kailangan mong magpasked muna. So yun lang guys. So if you have any questions, just comment in the box and tatry kong sagutin yung mga tanong nyo. Bye-bye!